Okay, I have connected my computer to my TV using Windows K. Choose your TV and then connect it. And I have a Google slideshow, and what I want to show you first is how to use the overlay to write on this. So if I go ahead and say run the slideshow, so I've got my slideshow, I can run it from right here on my computer to make it go to the next one, okay? Or I can even swipe most of the time and it will go to the next one. There we go. Now if I want to write on something like this, I can click on the power button and I'm going to choose note on, and you're going to see this overlay, and it even tells me that you can write or draw on top of this layer. So now I could have students come up and do this. Or I could write on it either way, okay? I can save it or I can close it, but this gives me the ability to write all over this. If I want to change the color, if I just hold the pencil down, it will change color for me, okay? Then I'm gonna say close and don't save. So now I'm back to my original. And once again, I can go through and use my computer, but if I want to write on it, I'm going to have to come up here, all right? Another option when I am connected to my TV with my computer, I can go through, so this is one of the slideshows I'm running, and if I click on the power button one time, and I'm going to choose restore. And when I choose restore, you can see it minimized that. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, but I still have my slideshow going on over here. But now over here on the side, I have the ability to write something if I want to, okay? Once again, I can hold my pen down, change color, and write whatever I want. But I can make this bigger or smaller, and I'm still running my Google slideshow as well. So just a neat way if you need to write. But once again, I just hit the power button and chose restore. And that restored my whiteboard, and now I have my slideshow or whatever's on my computer over here on the left-hand side.